How to log out of Binance account. So let's get started. Logging out of the Binance account ensures the security of your account when you are not using it. Now simply follow this step to log out securely. Firstly, unlock your desktop and launch the Binance website and log into your Binance account in order to log out. Now, once inside your Binance, tap on the profile icon in the top left or right corner depending on your app version. Then once you tap on it, a drop-down menu will appear. From there, find the logout option listed and tap on it. Now tap on logout to begin the process and a confirmation message will appear. Then select confirm to complete the logout. Now once logged out, you can also enable two-factor authentication to help secure your account even after logging out. So by following these steps, you can securely log out of your Binance account and protect your cryptocurrency investments. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.